Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Any weapon or defense equipment has to run through user trials before it enters production or finishes its evaluation stage. And one such equipment which we would be seeing in this particular video is about the Uttam AESA radar, which are under development by the Electronics and Radar Development Establishment. The Electronics and Radar Development Establishment is a laboratory of the Indian Defense Research and Development Organization. Now, coming to the latest update regarding this Uttam AESA radar, it seems like Indian Air Force will start user trials and evaluation of this indigenously developed Uttam active electronically scanned array radar by end of December 2021 tentatively. Once cleared for production, these Uttam radars will be mounted on Tejas Mark 1A, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, Indian Navy's MiG-29K, and also Indian Air Force MiG-29 UPG fleet. These radars are also being planned to be installed on Tejas Mark II, twin-engine deck-based fighter of Indian Navy, and also on the 5th generation fighter, which is AMCA. These Uttam radar is a liquid-cooled AESA radar featuring a quad-band modules that can be stacked to form a larger unit. This allows the manufacturer to scale the radar to be used in a larger aircraft. Uttam AESA radar has a total of 18 modes in air-to-air, air-to-ground, and air-to-sea roles. These modes have been validated on board a business jet and also being done on two limited series HL Tejas platforms. So let's expect this 95% indigenous content built Uttam AESA radar, which can track multiple targets in the sky at a range above 100 km, finishes the user trials and gets into production at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.